Welcome to our review of Anda Barut Collection, a luxurious resort located in Altinkum, Turkey. This hotel offers a perfect blend of elegance and comfort, making it an ideal choice for travelers seeking a memorable vacation. The rooms are beautifully designed, featuring modern amenities and stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Guests can indulge in a variety of dining options, from international cuisine to traditional Turkish dishes, all prepared by talented chefs. The hotel's private beach is a highlight, providing a serene and relaxing atmosphere. The crystal clear waters and soft sand make it a perfect spot for sunbathing and swimming. For those looking for more activity, the hotel offers a range of water sports and a state-of-the-art fitness centre. The spa is a must visit, offering a range of treatments to rejuvenate your body and mind. The friendly and attentive staff ensure a memorable stay, catering to your every need. Overall, Anda Barut Collection is a top choice for travellers seeking a luxurious and relaxing getaway in Altinkum.